everyone, this is Malik with Mr. Plumber. Today I'm here in our training lab facility and I'm here to show you 3 early signs that your water heater may be failing. Come over here, let's take a look. Guys, we made it over here to our water heater area. Our first tip is that if you smell any type of sulfur or just a nasty smell in general, that might be an indication of something going wrong on the inside of your water heater. Your second tip is that if you see any type of rust, red, brown, yellow colors in your hot water, that might be an indication of rust actually being present on the inside of your water heater. And your third tip is that if you see any type of rust or corrosion near the top or primarily near the bottom, right, that might be an indication that your water heater is reaching the end of its life expectancy. All right, guys, I hope these tips helped a lot. And if you notice one or more of any of these signs, it's time to call a plumber, Mr. Plumber.